Hey there, thanks for tuning in to My Buyer's Workshop. My name is Savannah Tessner, and I'm a licensed Florida realtor servicing the greater Tampa area and parts of Central Florida. If you're looking to get in touch, schedule a consult at savannahtessner.com, linked up here.
Be strong.
Here is our checklist overview of what My Buyer's Workshop will cover. This video will be focused on getting pre-qualified. Now let's get started. Looking for the right lender to finance your real estate purchase can be daunting, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through the process. When making your decision, keep in mind that availability is key. You want a lender who can be reached during off hours and on weekends, since many deals happen outside of normal business hours. It's also important to find a lender who can offer the best rate and the right type of loan for your needs, whether that's a conventional, FHA, VA, or specialized loan program. If you're unsure of what type of loan is right for you, just reach out to me and I'll connect you with the right people to answer all of your financial questions. Finally, make sure your lender does their due diligence on income verification, credit scores, and debt-to-income ratios to help make the process as smooth as possible. I recommend local lenders and credit unions before resorting to larger banks or lending conglomerates, as they often have more restricted availability. Let's take a closer look at how interest rates can impact your purchasing power with this little handy infographic. As interest rates rise, your monthly mortgage payment will also increase. So it's important to be mindful of how these fluctuations can impact your budget. For example, if you're looking at an overall mortgage of $300,000, a 1% increase in rates could result in a 10% decrease in your purchasing power. However, it's also worth noting that as interest rates go up, the average home price may go down. So there are some potential trade-offs to consider. I hope this helps answer some of your questions about getting pre-qualified. It has been so wonderful having you here. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about real estate, I'm here to offer my support. Let's chat about your goals and see how I can help you achieve them. Simply click the link and schedule a consult, and let's get started.